Hello! In this video, I'm going to teach you how PagerTree Broadcasts work. Broadcasts are a great way to send mass messages to multiple teams or users. Think of an all-hands-on-deck situation. When using Broadcast feature, you can send one-way messages and optionally request a response. To create a broadcast, you'll need to have broadcast permissions or be a PagerTree administrator. Creating broadcast is easy. We'll go to the broadcast page and in the top right-hand corner, click the Create Broadcast button. Then we will fill out the form giving our broadcast a descriptive title and short description. Next, let's set the destinations. The destination can be multiple teams and/or users. Note, if a user is on multiple teams, they will only receive the broadcast once. Finally, let's check the Response Requested checkbox and add some response options. You can add and edit more responses and reorder them using a drag and drop motion. Note, the response requested is optional. We'll then click Create. Once created, this will take us to the broadcast page. Here you can see key information such as who created the broadcast, the destination it was assigned to, and whether or not a response was requested. Below that, we can see logs and comments. And more importantly, below that, we can see notifications that were generated from this broadcast, any responses that PagerTree has received.